Hello Kings, I welcome you all to the channel. In this video today we are gonna solve the problem which is related to weighted aggregative price index number methods. So it is a combined problem in which we are gonna solve the last price, past chase, Marshall Edgeworth and Dorbish Bowley's and Fisher index number. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. Compute last price, past chase, Marshall Edgeworth's, Dorbish Bowley's and Fisher's index number for 2000 from the following data. So in this question, we have to identify the various weighted aggregative price index number, that is last price, past chase, Marshall Edgeworth's, Dorbish Bowley's and Fisher's index number. And the question which they have given us, they have given a set of commodities A, B, C, D and E. They have given the price and quantity of the commodity in the year 1995 and price and quantity of the commodity in the year 2000. So using this we have to find out this price index number which they have mentioned in the question. So let's go to the solution. This is the format of solution. First you take down the commodity A, B, C, D and E and also take the total column. Here I have written P0, Q0, P1, Q0, Q1. So P0 is nothing but the price of the commodity in the base year. So 1995 will be the base year in this question and 2000 will be the current year. So for base year we will be representing the price and quantity as P0 and Q0. For current year we will be representing the price and quantity as P1 and Q1. So P0 is a price of 1995 and Q0 is a quantity of 1995 and P1 is a price in the year 2000 and Q1 is a quantity of the commodity in the year 2000. I have next written P0, Q0, P1, Q0, P0, Q1 and P1, Q1. So this is nothing but the formulas which is there in last price index number and past chase price index number. So in last price index number, first we have P1, Q0. So I have written P1, Q0 and the second one we have is summation P0, Q0 and have written P0, Q0. And past chase price index number formula, first we have P1, Q1, I have written P1, Q1. And next is P0, Q1, I have written P0, Q1. So you first take down the formulas which is required for the formulas. You just take down the formulas last price index number and past chase price index number and it will be easy to compute the Marshall Edgeworth because it is a combination of last price and past chase index number. Okay. First, you take down the requirements of last price and past chase index number in this format so that it will be easy to compute other formulas because other formulas are the combination of last price and the past chase price index number. So if you take down the formulas of last price and past chase in the format, it is more than enough. Okay, so let's start with the solution. First, we have to write whatever they have given in the question. So P0 is a price in the year 1995. So P0 is 6, 2, 4, 10 and 8. There is no need to do the total of P0. So let's write it as nil. And the Q0 is quantity in the year 1995. The quantity is 50, 100, 60, 30 and 40. 30 and 40 and there is no need to compute or do the total of Q0. So let's write it as null. And the price in the 2000 year is 10, 2, 6, 12, again 12. We don't need the total of P1, so that is also null. And the quantity is 56, 120, 60, 24 and 36. And here also we don't need the total of Q1, so it is null. Next what we have to do is we have to multiply the P0 and Q0. P0 and Q0, that is 6 into 50 is 300, 2 into 100 is 200, 4 into 60 is 240, 10 into 30 is 300, 8 into 40 is 320 and the total of P0 Q0, that is 300 plus 200 plus 240 plus 300 plus 320 is 1360, and this is represented as summation P0 Q0. Okay, next let's multiply P1 and Q0. P1 and Q0. So 10 into 50 is 500. 2 into 100 is 200. 6 into 60 is 360. 12 into 30 is 360. 12 into 40 is 480. And the total of this is 1900, and this will be represented as summation P1 Q0. Okay, next let's multiply P0 and Q1. Okay, so 6 into 56 is 336, and 2 into 120 is 240. 4 into 60 is 240. 10 into 24 is again 240, and 8 into 36 is 288, and the total of this will be 1344. So this will be represented as summation P0 Q1. How we got 1344? We have to add all these items. 336 plus 240 plus 240 plus 240 plus 288. And the next one which we need is P1 and Q1, which means we have to multiply P1 and Q1. So 10 into 56 is 560, and 2 into 12 is, 2 into 120 is 240. 6 into 60 is 360. 12 into 24 is 288, and 12 into 36 is 432. And the total of this is represented as summation P1 Q1, and the total is 1880. Now we got all the values, that is summation P0 Q0, summation P1 Q0, summation P0 Q1, and summation P1 Q1. Now we have to compute the formula. So for last price index number, the formula is summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 into 100. So we have summation P1 Q0, and the value is 1900 divided by summation P0 Q0 value is 1900 divided by 1360 into 100, and the answer will be 139.705. Let's round off this, and we will be getting the answer as 139.71, because we are doing round off, so we'll be getting the answer as 139.71. Okay, so this is a last price index number. It's very simple. Next, let's move on to purchase price index number. For purchase price index number, the formula is summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q1 into 100, and the value of summation P1 Q1 is 1880 divided by, and the value of summation P0 Q1 is 1344 into 100. So 1880 divided by 1344 into 100. If we do, we will be getting the answer as 139.88. Okay, so this is also very simple. The thing which you have to do is you should remember the formula. Next, let's move on to Marshall-Edgeworth price index number. So the value of summation P1 Q0 is 1900 plus, and the value of summation P1 Q1 is 1880 divided by summation P0 Q0 value is 1360 plus, and the value of summation P0 Q1 is 1344, and we have to multiply it with 100. So 1900 plus 1880 is 3780 divided by 1360 plus 1344 is 2704 into 100. If we divide and if we multiply it with 100, we will be getting the answer as 1309.79. Okay, so this is also simple. The only thing is you should remember the formula. Next, let's compute the Dorbish-Bowley's price index number. Half into summation P1 Q0 value is 1900 divided by summation P0 Q0 value is 1360 plus summation P1 Q1 value is 1880 divided by summation P0 Q1 value is 1344 into 100. So first let's divide and then let's divide it by 2. After that let's multiply it with 100. Okay, is equals to 1900 divided by 1360 is 1.39 plus 1880 divided by 1344 is 1.39 into 100. Okay, so half into, let's add this both, we will be getting the answer as 2.78 into 100. So let's divide this 2.78 by 2. So we will be getting the answer as 1.39 and let's multiply it with 100 and the answer will be 139. Okay, next let's compute this Fisher's price index number. We have a separate formula for this. We have another formula. If they have given a separate sum, you can use the formula. In this channel only I have did a video based on that. If you want, you can see that. Now they have given a combined formula, so it's better to use this because it will be easy to compute. Okay, already we have a last price index answer. First let's write the root. 139.71 into, and we have answer of purchase price index number, that is 139.88. let's write 139.88. so we have to multiply first. So if we multiply, the answer will be 19,542.63. So if we do the root square of this, we will be getting the answer of 139.79. Okay. If they have given a combined problem, then it is better to use this formula so that it will be easy to compute and it will save your time. The only thing is you have to put a square root and then you have to use the answer of last price index number and purchase price index number. You have to multiply and you have to do the square root for the answer, and finally you will be getting the answer. So this is all about the weighted aggregative price index number methods. It is very simple, where you have to use the formulas. You have to remember the formulas and also the patterns. Nothing but you have to use this last price index number formulas and purchase price index number formulas, and then it will be easy for you to compare. Okay, I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, do subscribe to Kingmakers and share this with your friends. Thank you all.